वाहेगुरु 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 वाहेगुरु।
So, who has question you want to ask?
Master, io vorrei sapere che cosa intende quando si dice di condividere. Che cos'è la condivisione?
I would like to know what means to share. What is sharing?
First thing Buddha said after every meditation, whenever you do meditation, after this make feeling whatever peace, love, joy I get, it will be shared in whole planet, in whole world, going everywhere. So Buddha saying first thing you have to be in love. You have to be in joy. You have to be relaxed. So when you have joy, relax, positive, then you have something to share. So sharing only happen when you are joyful, when you are loving, when you are silent, and then this your energy is sharing. And then sharing happened with, and sharing slowly become your creativity. Any creativity coming in your life, anything you can creation, anything you can make, and with love if happening, that is the real sharing. Creativity means you do something, anything you do, anything you share, and don't want to get back anything. Mostly you do, if you do with mind, only you do, if I do this, I get back. This is business. Mind knows the business. I do this, I get back. I do this much, I will get this much. If you go in business, you have idea. I do this work, this thing I do, and I get this thing. Sometime happened, often happened, whatever your idea, I will get back this, you not get back. Sometime you get more, sometime you get less. And when you get more, you feel more excited. Much excitement. I get much. When you get less, going in loss, you have become depressed. Suddenly sadness. I have idea, I will get this and I get this. So this is mind. And sharing only happen with heart. Mind don't know the sharing. When you coming in heart, whatever you have, you will sharing start. Or if you sharing start, your heart will open start. Therefore sharing is must. And slowly this sharing after become compassion. When you meditate, when you are seeker, you sharing whatever you have, sharing, and then this sharing after, when you become enlightened, this sharing transform, become the compassion, and this compassion bring back you again in earth. Otherwise, after enlightenment, not coming back. Mostly people not come back. Only who can give, who can help to others, who can share with others, these people come back. So therefore, every time say share. And creativity. Creativity is when you do anything and not want to get back. This is creativity. Just you overflow your love, your joy. You want to help, you want to share, you want to give, and don't want to get back. Then creativity. And then your heart. Just you do and forget. You did something for anything. You did something for anything. In this way, ashram is very good. Because when you do in ashram, anything you do in ashram, it will be creativity. Because from ashram you don't want to get back anything. You no have expectation, and this is your love. So with ashram, therefore, master making ashram, master makes communes where many people be with him, some work, and then you do work and don't want to get back. When you do meditation, you overflow, love is coming, joy is coming. Where you put this love? Where you give this love? If you can give with your friends, family, okay. But with friends or with family, as you do, suddenly your mind is come back. Condition come back. I doing this thing for her, she has to do for me this. I do for my husband, I do for my children, they have to do. Because mind game is there. Just emotions. But in ashram, you know have. You not have emotions. Just you overflow and you want to give. I got so much from here. I got from satsang, I got from master, I got from ashram, and I want to do. I want to do as much as I can. And when you do anything and don't want to get back, it will be creativity. And this creativity become the meditation. This is meditation. Meditation also say work should be worship. Whatever work. But very difficult to you learn work in your business, in your market, in your job. Your work will be worship. Very difficult. Which day your work will be worship, your all life is sharing. All the time you creativity, all the time you share. But in market very difficult. Because in market you go, you do business, you do job, you do work, and you want to get back. Just mind. I do this, I get this. I do this much, I get this much, I do this much, I get so much. Just mind game. But in ashram not happening. So first learning happening with ashram. How to share. You learn the sharing with master. Master say you every day share, do work for him, work for his ashram, work for his pupil, then sharing. And sharing also with ashram, for ashram is creativity. Because there you don't want to get. You just like to do. You want to do something. And as you do without want to get back, if you do anything, this will be creativity, and this energy you get back. You getting the energy, you getting the positive energy. Your heart is opening start. Whenever you do anything, which things you don't want to get back, automatic your heart is. Then mind is not working. Mind only working when you do and you want to get back. I do this, I get this. I do that, I get that. Then mind, just mind. Therefore also in ashrams, like me also, I'm with you. I like you coming to satsang. I put donation. Can make fixed price also. Some ashram has fixed, some master makes fixed, but I don't like. I like donation. In donation, your heart and mind is fighting. Whenever you come, morning, looking donation box, written donation, give the donation. Your heart and mind is fighting. Mind say, nobody looking, go inside. Nobody see, go. Then heart say, should be. Something can give. Then putting hand in pocket. Suddenly 500 note come. Oh, it is too much. Okay, do tomorrow. Put back. Or just put, look other pocket. Oh, 100. Okay, 100. Then mind says, 100? What? Just sitting and give 100 rupees? So I like to fight in your heart and mind. Can make here, fix. Everybody come. 200 rupees, 100 rupees. If you go in Pune, Osho Ashram, 1000 rupees every day, one entry. 1000 rupees. Here even you can be in 1000 rupees whole day. There only entry 1000 rupees. And fix. Then you know you have to go, you have to put fixed price. That also is right. Some way is right. Happy. But I like putting you in fight. Already fight is happening, but I like. So sometime when you in heart, everything is giving. When you in mind, tight. Make yourself tight. And this I like. I want to open your heart. And donation, creativity with ashram is much happiness. Many times you have to work. And sharing also happened 3 ways. When you first thing is love. When you have love, then you have 3 things. In Hindi calling, you can do serving, you can do share with 3 things. Tan, man, dhan. Tan means body. With body you can do work. Work for ashram, work for pupil, work for giving help, giving sharing, as much as. So this is one way. Who has body, they can do with body. Second is man. Man means mind. You can do work with mind also. Many work is here only with body work. Some has mind work. This is also second way. And third way is dhan. Dhan means money. So money also you need. Somebody need here who work for with body. Giving, working, cleaning, and many work, giving help to people, make this, make that, many work in ashram with body. Second work with mind. Mind also is need. Body also working, mind also working, with mind also. So then with mind somebody has idea, somebody make plan, do this, management, this type, that type also is. And third is also money. So money also is need. If any ashram is happening, it will be money. So these 3 ways you can share. But before these 3, your heart should be open. Your heart has to be open. And when heart open, then love, and this love is sharing in these 3 ways. Which way you can do? You can do with body, you can do with the mind, you can do with money. Three things is necessary, is way. Somebody do this way, somebody do this way, somebody do this way. Whatever you have, how much you can. And I say, now soon, tomorrow will be last. I will be last satsang here. Then I go Rishikesh, and I go and looking, start there to land, to make the ashram. We have ashram, but it's very small. Now I want to make one land, some big place. And just 1 week before, I heard I gave one job to get permission to buy the land, buy the big property, and now permission happened. 1 week before happened. And now I go and start this next month. So, who like to share, want to share, when we have ashram, somebody to work with body, somebody need to work with mind, somebody need to work do with money. These three work is everywhere. Everywhere these three work is happening. It is also not if ashram has and we have ashram, we buy the ashram, and some miracle. If you see, I can miracle any, like just make one plant, one tree of the dollars. I can. I'm simple man. Simply things. But through you has to come. Somebody get give. Somebody want work in ashram, work. Ashram is very good. There you don't want to get back. Main thing is this. And never do anything with expectation in ashram. You not get back. You get back your energy, positive energy. Whatever you do, many people come there, do meditation, make nice wave vibrations, loving vibration, aware vibrations. This vibration going to you anyhow. Who are doing anything, they get. But just without reason. And this is your love. You get because your heart is open. As your heart is open, sharing, creativity is excuse to make your heart is open. As your heart is open, suddenly your love is growing. Love is opening start. Love is flowing start. When heart is closed, no love. With mind, love is not. So this is excuse to come.
No, sorry, I need to speak the Italian guy or the people who stay in the cottage. Sorry, namaste. Who, please here, stays in the cottage over there?
Which cottage?
Which cottage?
When you come into the main place, there's an orange gate. The first house on the right hand side is double cottage.
Ah, yes.
They are there. Can we borrow you for 1 second, please? Talk. You are the... Yeah, thank you. Sorry.
Okay, you go.
It's good.
So this is how to heart your can be open. So sharing is the way to open the heart. So whenever you have to opportunity to share, giving anything, love anybody, just jump. Whenever time opportunity come to love, to give, to share, whatever you have you can share. You can help with body, you can help with mind, you can help with your money. Whatever you have you can help, then your heart is open. So just I say, whenever this thing coming in you, you have to give, you have to share, give. Never close, never stop it. Then your heart will be more open. If you giving. That time mind and heart is very tight. Mind never want to give. Mind don't know this word to give. Mind only wants, give me. He like to take. Give me. When you in heart want to give to others, how much you have, this you know also. When you have very normal love, simple love, very simple love when you have with one man, one woman, just like a couple. When you love with couple, very much love, then you say, my everything is yours. He say, my everything is yours. I can share this, my house, my things, my money, my property, my this, whatever I have, this is yours. We are one. Because love is one. So sharing is the way to be in love. Come in love. Open your heart. Excuse. So whatever you have, you can share. So whenever sharing coming, you want to give help. And with ashram, it is very good lesson. In ashram, you can learn how to share, how to give, and then happen. Whatever you have, you can share. With body, you can do anything for others, help, sharing. With mind, you can give plans, idea, suggestions, and with money also. If you have, it's good to give. Sharing. Without reason you get, and you have it. So sharing makes you slowly medium. Hello bamboo. Here you go, from there you come. And then you become like a medium. And then it's right. Sharing is whatever you have can help to, how much through this body, how much through this mind. What you have body, you have mind, how much can help, can give to others. Mostly people living for own, living for self, thinking about self, me. I want this, I want that, I want this, I want it. I make this. Only around I. Some people thinking start when you coming in heart, thinking of start about others. In their house. What is it? So, this is sharing. Any more things? Or any question more? No question.
Sometimes I'm afraid when I'm in heart, when I share, my mind very starts to speak out because mind start to speak when you can give everything now. You can you lose everything, money, something like this. His mind very shaking in this moment. You start shaking. But I'm enjoy when this happens. I'm very enjoy, but mind very strong.
Yeah, that I say. Whenever you sharing start, whenever you giving start, whenever you want to do anything for others, even not giving, just doing is anything, mind will jump. Mind, first thing is scared, and mind has judgment. what I get. First thing happens. If I give, what I get. And when you in heart, you want to give much, as. Then mind also is clear. If you give everything, then what you will do, how you survive, how you save, how you secure. So it happened. But just I say, you share overflow. Overflow already has, everybody has. Even just thinking about money, you have money. If anybody need, you feel his need and you want to give, you can give. Mind will be say, no, it is not right, I don't get this, I don't get this, I don't get this. But if you feel love and feel, okay, my friend, same my like a lover, love, I love him, I love her, and she don't have, I can share. I can be little bit less. I can do less shopping. Let's go in restaurant, eat small, and if this person really is need and you feeling, just I say, if you feel, you give. Don't listen the mind. Mind never allow you to give. Mind never allow. He don't know this world, but heart knows. Heart want to give him. Because heart with first thing love happen, and love makes you one with each other. So wherever you feel love, heart is opening, and if you giving, your heart will open more, and you just say you are enjoying also it. When you give, when you share, so enjoy always, because then you feel yes, existence make me to, I help to others, I share with others, I can do something for others. This opportunity always you have. Everybody has. You can share, you can give, but mind stop you. Mind stop you. Mind not allow you to do. So not listen much mind. Whenever opportunity come, giving, sharing, so go. First thing, first lesson you get, sharing with Buddha, with Master. For Master very easy happen. You can do for him personally. You can take care, you can give, you can do. Very easy. Because with him you get much love, that heart is your open and you get. But second step, when you have Sangham Sharanagacha, Sangha, when you do for pupil, for ashram, for community, then is more your heart. When you see in everybody each master energy, everybody is master, love is there, then you feel, then more heart. Then you see everyone is divine. And then third step also come, slowly, Sangha Sharanam Gacha, Dhammam Sharanam Gacha. When you, everywhere, whatever happening, how I can share, how much I can share. Without sharing means don't want, unconditional. Give and forget. Even and don't want, he say thank you. Don't want to get thank you also. If he giving, sure give somebody. Okay, but you don't expect he will give me thank you also. He say me thank you also. Then is right. Donation, sharing means this hand giving and this hand don't. Should not know. Then is right. Just give. And this is over. When you are overflow and love is much happening, then you want. So go for love, go for heart, and mind and heart will be fight. Because mind don't want to give, heart want to. So you have to choose. Sometime happen, sometime heart is winning, and sometime mind is winning. This is not always a hard winning. Sometimes mind also is strong, and sometimes heart also. And you get without reason, without doing, automatic existence take care you. This way, that way, getting. And you also has to go on, give on, sharing. Then is right. And if you share, it will. Just you will be excused. You will be medium to be happening through you. And don't make ego. If you with love, ego will not. If ego is coming, then not. Just follow it. Don't listen the mind. Say, I have existence. Give me, I can give. Then it's right. Suddenly somebody comes, somebody happens, some excuse happens, some reason you get it. And then you also can go more on flow. Then heart will more. So I say, whenever you have want to give for commune, give for ashram, give for commune's pupil, any help, you just open your hands, give as much as share your body, share your mind, share your mind. These three ways as much as. Don't stop. Whenever opportunity coming, listen the heart, don't listen the mind. If you listen mind will be strong. If you listen heart will be strong. So now we finish.
सच्चर परिपूर्णा शिवोऽहं सच्चर परिपूर्णा शिवोऽहं